Okay, so what I want you to do here is you're going to choose only one of these 4 tasks. So you decide which one you want to do. And you're going to complete it for each one of the 5 famous Greeks that you chose on the last slide. So you can do a gravestone, make a gravestone for each of the 5 famous Greeks you choose. And on the next slide, you'll see the requirements for that. Or you can make greeting cards, not greeting cards, trading cards, famous Greek trading cards for each one of your famous Greeks. Or you can do, what would their iPhone look like? Okay, what would your famous Greek's iPhone look like? And you can complete that form. Or you can do a Snapchat. So you're going to take those 5 Greeks you chose, and you're going to complete one of these tasks, only one of these 4, for each of the 5.